In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a quantity takeoff in CostMiner. Whether you're a professional estimator or new to construction project management, this guide will walk you through each step of the quantity takeoff process, ensuring you can efficiently assess material volumes for your projects using CostMiner. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by navigating to the CostMiner platform, the hub for construction estimating and takeoff tasks. You'll want to open your web browser and go to the CostMiner website. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once you land on the home page, locate and click on the Login to CostMiner button. This is typically found at the top corner of the page. If you don't have your login details handy, be sure to retrieve those to avoid any hiccups. After logging in, you'll see your project dashboard. This is where all your ongoing and completed projects are listed. Find your project from the list that you are planning to perform the takeoff on and click on it. This will open up the project details and all related documents. Now, before we get too excited, ensure that you already have an uploaded plan or drawing within this project. It's essential to have a clear floor plan or blueprint, as that's what we'll be using to conduct our quantity takeoff today. If it's not uploaded yet, please take a moment to get that file into the system. With your plan ready, you'll want to click on it to open the drawing interface. From here, get ready to add your new items. At the bottom of the interface, you'll notice an option to click on a new row. Selecting this allows you to input a new item relevant to your current task. When you begin to type in the name or description for your new item, ensure to click on the quantity cell afterwards. This step is vital as it links everything you measure directly to this item, keeping your workspace organized and connected. The next task is to change the measuring type to trace area. This adjustment prepares the system for measuring spaces by tracing their outlines, rather than measuring linear distances or other types. Once you've switched to trace area, start measuring by clicking the corners of the room within your plan. The app has a handy feature where it automatically snaps and measures the spaces between these corners, providing you with precise measurements without any of the hassle. Continue clicking on the room corners until you've outlined the entire room. When you've completed the tracing, ensure that you add the appropriate rate per unit area for the materials or construction tasks you are estimating. And just like that, you are done with your quantity takeoff in CostMiner. Following these steps ensures accuracy and efficiency, which will greatly benefit your project planning and budgeting. Thank you for watching, and remember to tune in for more helpful guides on utilizing CostMiner's powerful tools.